Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious bakery style jam rolls, or you can also call it jam Swiss rolls. So this I have made without cream, oven and eggs, but they turn out to be super amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिया देखियो चाहुछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take 3 tablespoons of curd. To that add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk and mix everything till combined. Then place a sieve and add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all the dry ingredients together. Then mix everything in. Finally add 1/4 cup of milk and mix till combined. Our super smooth batter is formed now. We'll be baking this cake in a pan, so brush oil in a non-stick pan. Now transfer the batter into the pan. Spread and level using spatula. Cover and cook on the lowest flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the jam filling. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of jam. You can take mixed fruit or strawberry if you want. Mix the jam with spoon till smooth. If you think the jam is too thick, just add half teaspoon of water and whisk till smooth. Keep it aside. Our cake is also perfectly baked now. See, the toothpick has come out super clean. Loosen the edges using spatula and then transfer it onto a baking paper or butter paper. Spread the jam all over it and then sprinkle some desiccated coconut or dry coconut flakes. Carefully roll it using the butter paper. Don't worry if it breaks a little, it will come together when it unrolls. Roll it as tightly as you can. Also fold and close the edges. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Our jam roll is perfectly set now. Dust powdered sugar over it. This is also optional. Cut the edges for plain slices and then cut into equal slices like so. See how perfect our spiral jam roll looks. And our delicious jam rolls are ready now. See how easily we made it using a pan and so less ingredients and in no time, but this turned out to be super delicious. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.